Most CRMs don't fail because they're missing features. They fail because nobody wants to keep updating them. That's why Streak is different. It lives directly inside Gmail, so your leads and deals stay where your sales conversations are already happening. It also has AI that can summarize conversations, answer questions, and automatically fill in deal info. Let me show you how it works. So adding Streak to Gmail is super easy. Just click the link below and make sure you're on Chrome or Safari. Here I am in Chrome, and all you need to do is hit Get Started for free right here, and it's going to take you to the Chrome store, and it's just an extension that installs for Gmail. And so just hit Add to Chrome, and then just hit Add Extension, and then it installs in 1 second. And now it's going to redirect you to Gmail, and then it's going to ask you to sign in for the first time. So just sign in with your Google account, and then you can give Streak your permissions right there. So if it's your first time, it's going to show you a bunch of checkboxes, and you just check all the boxes to give it permission. And now Streak is installed, and then just hit the Streak button right there, and then just hit Start Pro Trial. That's going to give you a 14-day free trial. Just fill in all the information here, and that's going to allow you to use all the features I'm about to show you. And once you start your trial, you're going to get access to all the features. And Streak is a CRM that lives completely within Gmail, so there's no additional portal or website that you have to log into. Literally everything will be within the Gmail interface in your inbox area, as you see here. And I'll go through all the features so you can see how everything actually works and integrates right within Gmail. And because everything lives in Gmail, you don't have to worry about transferring all this information from one place to another, and everything's actually going to be accurate and reliable and properly tracked. So the first thing we're going to do is set up your pipelines in Streak. And real quick, I want to show you what that looks like within Gmail. So you can see here that I actually have a number of pipelines that I've built, and you can actually manage multiple pipelines. So you can see my main pipeline for working with my partner collaborations. You can see I have a services pipeline, and I even have a outbound pipeline. And within my sponsored pipeline, you can see I have all of these different stages, as well as all of these different columns, and you can customize all of that. And I'm going to show that to you in a moment when we create our pipeline. And I even have separate views, like this view here where it's just my sales associates leads, whereas this has everything, and you can make multiple views as well. And you can actually use Streak to manage more than just sales. For example, you can see I'm managing licenses here and projects and so many other options. So creating a pipeline is super easy. Just hit the plus button right here, and as I mentioned, you can manage everything from sales, projects, to partnerships, to hiring, to jobs. As you can see, pretty much anything you want to manage in here, but let's go with sales. And then they actually have an AI assistant here that's just going to build and customize this pipeline for you if you want. So of course you can just describe your process right here, or you could skip it and do it manually. But let's just say we do software sales. And so it gives you an example prompt, and we'll just go next here. And so what it's going to do, it's going to start working on what you described there. And of course you can use those templates as a starting point, or you can just skip and do it manually. But either way, what it's going to do is it's going to take you to this screen right here, where it's come up with the stages and the columns and the different views, and then you can tweak this as you like, and you can add and remove stages. But let's just go next for this, and then you can set your sharing permissions, so you can have it private to you, only specific people on your team, or your entire team. I'll do private to me for this one, and then it's just going to go off and create your pipeline. And then you can see it made the pipeline with all the stages and put in some dummy data in there, so you can kind of visualize how it works, and you can see all the columns here. And then if you want to customize things, just go to options, go to stages, and you can move and add and delete stages as you want. And then if you want to add new columns, you can just add any kind of column you want here. So there's a ton of customization, and you can make it match your exact process. And what's cool is, again, this lives inside Gmail. It's not some other website that you got to log into. You can literally look at your pipeline right where you're responding to your emails. So once you've created your pipeline, starting to track all your leads and deals is super easy. So each of these rows you see here are called a box, and that's how Streak organizes all your contacts and deals in a sale. So just hit this arrow, and you can see within each box, firstly, you get the entire communication history instantly because it's built into Gmail, and you can actually go see the entire conversation thread for any conversations I've had pertaining to this client or deal, basically pertaining to this box, and any information I've associated with this deal or box. And this alone is huge because I've been doing this for over 20 years and never in my life have I ever seen someone log all of the emails. There's always communications missing. And so when you're looking in a deal, you just don't know what the latest information is. And here, because it's built into it, you actually get to see all of the communications. And it works even with your team. You can just see all the communications everyone has sent. So within each box is where all the information pertaining to this deal or lead can live. So firstly, you can leave a comment for your team and they'll be notified. You can attach a call log. You can leave meeting notes. You can attach files, like if there's an agreement or a scope file that you want to attach. Of course, you can fill in any of the columns here. And there's also AI features, which I will show you in a bit. And you can see all the contacts that are associated with this box, and you see your notes here. And you can even create tasks for this deal, send agreement and assign it to people. So let's say I assigned it to myself or assigned it to anyone on my team. And you can even automate follow-up activity right here. And let's say we want to do something next Monday to do a follow-up with Stacy, for example. And what's cool is you can actually see your tasks right here, right within Gmail, and you can see that follow-up task we just made. And because it actually lives within Gmail where you're already working, you're just much more likely for you to actually do that task, or anyone you assign that task to actually do it, instead of you logging a task in some other project management system or CRM where they got to log into it and they're just never going to see that task. So because it actually lives in Gmail, they're much more likely to see it and actually do the work. And creating these boxes, which arguably is the most important thing, where you're actually entering the deals and leads and the contacts you're working with, is super easy. So there's two ways to do it. So you can just hit plus next to whatever stage you want and just create a box, and then you can fill in that information and associate things. That's fine. But the way I like to do it, which I find just works way better with my workflow and is just really intuitive, is let's say this is a new lead that came in. You just hit this plus button and it asks you, hey, do you want all emails with Aman here, or do you want just this thread? Let's just say we do just this thread. We create a new box in our pipeline. We just pick sponsored. It's made a new box, and you can say Aman or whatever the name of the company is. Let's just say Sing Acquisitions. And then we can set the lead stage. As you can see there, I can associate any contacts with it, and I can fill in any other information about this deal. Maybe I have some custom columns like where this came in from, and just like that, it's done. And then if we go back to Streak, you can see it's right there. And so as you either send emails or receive emails, you can quickly make an entry and track all those communications, and it's just in Streak in a few clicks. So this way, it's not this huge cumbersome task of copying and pasting information from your email to your CRM or forwarding emails or anything like that. It just all lives within it, and it's just a few clicks. So by being able to manage all the pipelines and boxes right within Gmail, and it being just a few clicks to log anything and to track anything, and I get this great bird's eye view of everything and all my pipelines, that alone makes Streak fully worth it for me. But the AI features it has actually helps me stay on top of my deals even better, and I'll show you some of them right here that I use. So within each box, you can actually just ask it to summarize the conversation. And so you can see this is a 37 email thread. And so it's giving me an overview and what the blockers are, and hey, where we met. So we met at this conference and all of these things, right? So if for whatever reason you forget what this deal is about, or more importantly, if you're hopping in on a deal from one of your team members, or you want to just catch up on it, so you can just use this summary feature to know exactly where the deal is. And because all the communications are reliably tracked in Streak, you know that this is accurate. What's also cool is you could even just ask questions. So let's just say, I don't remember what type of video we were going to do for this. Are we doing dedicated videos or integrations? dedicated videos, not integrations. This is why, and it answers the question. So you can just ask AI to help you get caught up on anything. Like I use this all the time when I'm like, oh, what were the terms we agreed to? Or what was the scope? Or what did they say the due date was? Or what did they last say about something? And it just saves me so much time. Another way I use the AI to get caught up with deals is the bulk functionality. And this actually helps me get an update at a bird's eye view. So say for example, I want to know what's sort of happening with all of these leads that my sales associate is working. And by the way, this is a column I just made. It's called next steps, and I made that. And I didn't have to give AI any special instructions on how to do this. It just knows that's what I want. And I just hit AI autofill, and literally it's going to read all of the emails, the entire deal, the thread and everything, and fill in what has to happen next, which is crazy. And you can do it for any column you want. So for example, if I want to know what the sources for this are, and because that's something I track from my marketing channels, I could do the exact same thing. And if it can figure out that information, it'll do its best to fill it out if it was captured in the email. And so as you can see, it's figured out based on my patterns too, that these were all inbound emails. And so if I could do this exact same thing for this column right here, what are the deliverables that were discussed? And so you can use this with practically any column you come up with. And in addition to that, they actually have these magic columns that automatically surface information. So for example, who the last email was from, so that you don't actually have to ask the AI. It's just built in if you want to add those columns, like who the last email was from, or how many emails are in this thread, or how many days has that company been in this stage, right? So there's a bunch of different magic columns you can add to, which will quickly surface information for you and keep that up to date automatically. And this one's a bit more advanced, but you can actually directly integrate Streak with Claude or ChatGPT, and you can actually get any information you want from it. And I actually use this to run sales reports. I just say, give me a sales update, and it starts working on it. You can see it's talking to Streak, and just like that, I get a sales report back about where all my deals are, where things stand. You can see it works through all of my active deals, where things stand, the current status, the next steps, what I need to work on today, what I need to watch because it's going quiet. I also will have an update on my sales associates leads, and this is something that I set up with Claude. And if you want to see how to do this, I'll actually link the Claude video I did down below. So one thing I was really curious about with Streak was, would I even be able to use this with a team? Because how would that work if it lives inside Gmail? And honestly, it's super simple and really seamless, and it just works the exact same way, and everything is synchronized by Streak. So as I showed you, I can just assign any lead to my sales associate or myself. Hopping back, let's say this deal, I would just assign it to him instead of me. And at a bird's eye view, I can see all of his leads. You can even make your reps a separate view within one pipeline, or they can even have their own pipelines like this outbound pipeline I've created for him. So this actually solved a huge problem for me. I wanted to get help with my sales because of the volume I was doing, but I didn't want to give someone access to my inbox. And so the only other solution I would have is to get a regular CRM where I got to copy and paste the emails, and that would actually just give me more work than help. And at that point, I'd rather just do the emails myself, and instead of trying to keep everything up to date myself. And so here I can assign any leads I want to my associate, while I keep certain deals or leads that I want to work on for myself, while we both have visibility into the entire pipelines. And as I showed you when we created the pipeline, you can always change who can access each pipeline if you want to. Now I covered a lot of the main features, but really quickly, I want to show you some other really cool tools you can use to get even more out of Streak. First is the mail merges. So basically here, you can send emails to multiple people without CCing or BCCing anyone. So the first way to do that is you can just go to contacts, and then you can set up a mail merge. And then basically you just send them an email, and it's going to send it to each of them individually without anyone else knowing. And you can actually do follow-ups here and build sequences this way, which is really great for sales. Now, another really powerful way to use this would be with all all of the deals that maybe didn't work out, or maybe if you want to send a nurturing sequence to all of the recent clients you've landed. And so you would just check the boxes here, hit new mail merge, and create that sequence right there. And so this way you can send communications based on the relationship status or sales deal stage as you want. And you can even do certain outbound communications if you want to segment your list differently. Another super valuable feature is the reports. And so just click on the three dots, go to reports, and out of the box, you can get a whole bunch of reports for anything you want to track, from value by stage to how long some deals have been in certain stages or anything else you'd like. And you can see that they have a whole bunch of pre-built reports for you. You can just drag in like this. And you can even make custom reports. And finally, two other little quality of life things that really help is you do get tracking on your email. So you can actually see who has viewed your emails and who hasn't opened it yet. And this is helpful if you want to decide, do I give them another day or two before following up? And so you can kind of make that judgment there. And they also have snippets, which are a nice little touch if you want to speed up your writing. So you can create snippets and then just use them just like this to quickly follow up if there are certain responses you're always saying. So what I like about Streak here is it's not just helping you log information and keep track of information, it's actually helping you do the work faster and giving you the tools to be more effective. I've needed a CRM for years, but I've always struggled to find one that didn't create more work than it solved. When I found Streak, my honest reaction was, why didn't I know about this sooner? Having a CRM that actually lives inside Gmail, where I'm already doing the work, just makes so much more sense for the way I operate. I'm not wasting time duplicating information or logging into another platform just to figure out the next step for a lead or deal. It also made it really easy to add my team while still keeping visibility into what everyone was doing. This gave me a lot of time back while also giving me the confidence that nothing was getting missed. So if your business runs on Gmail or Google Workspace and you've had CRM adoption issues in the past, I seriously think this is worth a look. I'll leave a link below if you want to check it out and grab a 14-day free trial. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tool tutorials that help you do more with less effort. And speaking of that, if you want to see the top 5 tools I personally use in my business to get more done faster, check out this video right here. I'll see you in there.